Looks like someone here is sobrang naglalabas ng effort, nagpapakita ng action, may paggalaw, may movement right here, no? Although, nagpo-frustrate, nasa-stress, nahihirapan, nagpapatuloy pa rin. Yan. And seeing this burden being lifted, okay, this person is almost malapit na ma-release ito. It's like, malapit na yung ending, no, ng kanya ritong frustration. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, it could be or it could be the person here that you're dealing with. Let's all find out. This person right here could be watching you, might be actually not spying. I'm not getting that. Maybe watching you or maybe looking up information about you online. Yeah. So let's see. But the Seven of Cups is in reverse. So it looks like this is confirmed already. There's that kind of confirmation here. What confirmation is that? Can you please give us a clear message? Can you please show us? Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm seeing actually, okay. If this is not a message, if this is not a call either, I'm picking up that this is someone here traveling, visiting you. Someone here who could be younger than you but doesn't have to be by age. Pwede rin naman na young looking lang sa kanyang physical appearance, no? Or someone here, pwedeng para sa iba, no? Mas bata ito sa inyo, no? Sa age, okay? Just take how this resonates, okay? Pero nakita ko dito ng taong magme-message sa'yo, communication is coming in, via internet or online man yan, or via phone call or text message, or via visit right here, you're gonna receive it. Yeah. So let's keep moving right here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hold on. So I'm getting this kind of message right here that this is coming here from someone na never mo talaga in-expect. Like literally, this is you. Like you're gonna have this kind of super intense, like with this tower energy. Hindi mo in-expect na i-message ka nitong tao na to. Who is this? Yeah, this gives me this kind of intriguing energy, ha? Kasi kung sino man siya, like literal na wala kang ka-idea. Like literally, parang ikaw to na, ha, bakit niya ako kukontakin or bakit niya ako kinukontak? Yan. So, ganun ka, no? Parang this will put you into lots of question marks in your bumbunan. It's like, ha? Sure ka ba? Di nga, ako talaga, ako daw yung ano, yan, parang ganun ka, ganun yung nakukuha ko rito, no? Or for others of you, okay, you could already know this person here, yan, no? Pero yun nga, baka hindi mo ini-expect, like literal, no, na i-message ka niya dito, no, like hindi talaga sumagi sa isipan mo, no, like kahit pahulaan itong person na to sa'yo, no, kahit magpinoy henyo pa kayo ng buong barkada, hindi mo talaga mababanggit tong person na to. Like, hindi mo talaga to ini-expect. Yan. So, yung iba naman mga babes, no, example, kung crush nyo naman ito, like, literal na crush nyo siya, pero hindi naman ini-expect na i-message na kayo. Example lang ito, no. Pero this will give you in this type of energy that is so high that will put you into confusion. Yan, no. This is a message right here that I'm picking up. Yan. Ooh. Ano na naman 'to, bata ka? Asan na nga ba yung pink hanger ko? Kailangan pink? Oo, kailangan pink ang hanger. Yan. So, yan mga babes, no? Mhm. See? Like literal, no, na never mo talagang in-expect na ini-message ka nitong tao na to, hindi to sumagi sa isipan mo right here, yan. Okay? Hindi lang ito for those na kilala nyo siya. Nagbigay lang ako rito ng situations, no? Kasi maaaring yun yung situation ng iba sa inyo. Pwede rin naman na isa itong tao rito, no, nakilala ka niya pero hindi mo siya kilala. Like, hindi mo talaga mga babes no ini-expect like 0.00001% milliliters millisecond. Hindi mo in-expect, no? Na i-message ka nitong person na to. Yeah, okay? So let's keep moving right here. You know what? We're getting a very clear message coming from this reading of yours, no? Yeah, see? Okay, with lots of pages right here, definitely, this is giving me this kind of energy na pwedeng mas bata talaga siya sa'yo or mas bata siyang tingnan compare sa age niya or young looking siya, yan. Or doesn't have to be from that case. Pwede rin naman na siya ay nag embodies no, ng childlike na qualities. Like, pwede siya ay witty, funny, or I'm getting this type of energy na siya ay parang child, no, na hindi niya dinadala yung problema na dinidibdib, hindi. I'm sorry about that, no, matching lang. Yan, hindi niya dinidibdib, no, mga babes, no, yung problema, just like a child, no. Parang, siya ito na parang yung problem is may solution. And then this type of energy right here is giving me this type of feeling, no, na siya ito na magaan at komportable siyang kausap, no. Parang ganun siya dinidescribe sa akin, no, ng spirits and angel guides right here. You know what? This appears to be personal, no? Pero nakukuha ko rito that a lot of you, you're gonna resonate on this one. For others of you, talagang hindi nyo pa ito kilala. And yung iba, nasa buhay nyo na to, pero never mo talagang in-expect na i-message ka niya. The message has something to do like this. It's like this person here, parang ganito. Maybe this is not the exact message, pero ito talaga yung pinaka pinipinpoint nitong tao na to, no, sa isipan niya. Okay? It's like, ang tagal kitang hinanap or kung san-san kita hinanap, buti naman natagpuan na kita. See? Isn't it intriguing? Eh, kahit si Tito Boy, no, mga babes, no, kahit i-blind item ito, like literal, no, na, ha, parang ikaw, ha, hinahanap niya ako? Bakit? Teka, hindi ko nga siya kilala. Yung gano'n, no, parang ganun ka, na parang, ha? Oo, kilala ko yan, pero bakit? Like, clueless at all. Pero, alam mo yan mga babes, no? This person is showing me na kung ano tong sasabihin niya sa'yo or iniisip niya na ito, no? Na message na ito. So, super feel siya, no? Yung kanyang aura ng emotions, no? Parang, nahirapan talaga siyang hanapin ka. Mm-hmm. So this gives me this kind of message that this could be a soulmate vibe right here. Yan, no, like this person here search for you everywhere. Look at look for you right here, no? Sa online, eh? Sa internet world right here. Or might be, okay? Hinanap ka talaga niya. No, like literal, no, na siya mismo yung naghanap-hanap, no, sa mga lugar, no, sa'yo. Yan, no, ganon. So, whatever the case may be, I'm getting this type of energy that this person here, parang yung pagod niya napawi kasi nakita ka na niya. Oh, soulmate. Yeah, this is a communication right here that is definitely happening or gonna happen right here. See? Ang tagal ka nga talaga niyang hinahanap. Miss yan. Sabi mo, hindi ko pa yun kilala, pero ba't niya ako hinahanap right here? This person is filled with lots of emotions and feelings. Remember, soulmate is not always a romantic partner or a romantic relationship, okay? Because soulmate can also be your family, no? Mom or dad, yan, no? Baka mga babes, no, may case rito na pwedeng yung iba, na example lang to, dito para sa lahat, no? Pwedeng nung bata pa kayo, napalayo na kayo sa parents ninyo. Kasi kung sino to, it's like, it gives me this kind of message na baka maiyak pa nga ito, eh. Pag nakita ka niya, no? So, sobrang taas ng emosyon niya. Yan, no? Pag nakita ka niya, it's like this person search for you everywhere. Yan, no? Pero meron din tayo nakukuha rito na romantic relationship for others of you. Like, literally, this is your soulmate. This is someone here na pwedeng may past life connection kayo. Okay? Could be that case for others. Kasi, hindi mo talaga siya kilala at all, no? Pero naramdaman niya sa'yo yung spiritual connection na kakaiba, like special yon, no? Kaya this person would be claiming na ang tagal ka niyang hinanap mo sa katauhan ng iba. Now, finally, natagpuan ka na niya. Yan, no? For others, baka ito yung long lost friend ninyo, no? Soulmate din ng mga friends, mga mahal, no? Pets, yung mga alaga natin, ng mga hayop, they could also be considered soulmates, no? Where you feel so comfortable, yan. No? Baka hinanap ka rin ng dati mong kaklase or yung dati mong kapitbahay na kalaro mo, no? So just take how this resonates. No? You're gonna receive this message right here and you're gonna think, yan, no? Bakit niya ako hinahanap? Yan, no? Like, literal na pwedeng kilala mo siya, pwede rin naman na hindi mo pa siya kilala. Like, you're clueless about this person here. Yeah, but definitely, nakita ko rito na ang tagal ka talaga niyang hinanap. Yeah. So, whether kilala mo siya, bahala kayo. Dinamay niyo na naman ako dito. Yan, no, see? Three of Cups energy. This is union. This is you being reunited by this person here. This person might be chatting, no? Sa'yo. Magchat-chat ito sa'yo, no? Alam mo, actually, maaring kung hinanap ka niya online, okay? Marami na rin siya ritong mga nakita na kapangalan mo, no? Pero hindi ikaw yon, kind of thing, no? Or this person here actually do not know your name. Pero yun nga, no, just by standing next to you, naramdaman niya na yung special connection niya, no? So if this is a family member, it's a lukso of dugo right here, yan. Okay? Or this person here actually looks for you. Look at those people. Pinagtanong ka eh. Yan, no? Or kung ito man, no, dating kaklase, um, dating kasamahan mo sa trabaho, matagal na, no? Yun ang message na maaring puntahan ka niya, tawagan, or i-text ka niya, no? Like, literally, unexpected ito for you. Hindi sumagi sa isipan mo. Yung iba pwedeng crush nyo to sa kabilang department. Or sa kabilang classroom, no? Super crush mo siya. Alam mo yun, aware ka sa kanya na crush mo siya, no? Pero maaaring crush ka rin niya, no? Kaya baka ikagulat mo rin ito. Yan, no? Halo-halong mekos-mekos ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin dito. Pero kung ano man to, mensahe na to, no? Sure ball na paparating ito sa'yo. So, yeah, we have here the Two of Wands energy. Yeah, look at that. This person is preparing. Look at the consistency. From Two of Wands energy to the Three of Wands energy, this person is naghihintay na lang, no? Ng pag-travel is like, all my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. Yeah, this person is yan, preparing to go towards you right here, traveling towards you kung nasaan man siyang lupalop ng earth right here. This person is now ready to connect or reconnect here with you. See? Definitely. See? No? Decidido na talaga ito. No? Eight of Wands energy. This is message coming in fast. Okay? And this is travel coming in fast right here. Kaya kung sino man to, there's this soulmate vibe that we're getting in here. A lot of emotions right here. Like, halo-halo na, no? Pero definitely, whoever this individual is, very persistent at talagang magre-reconnect siya sa'yo. Yeah. This person is really looking for you, no? Hinanap ka niya kung saan-saan, no? Pinagtanong-tanong ka na rin niya rito, no? Yung iba mga babes, no? Talagang, alam mo yon, hindi niya pinalampas yung oras at pagkakataon na pag may oportunidad, no? Hindi ka niya sinisingit lang eh, kundi talagang hinahanap ka niya. Mm-mm. Or matagal niyang hinanap yung kagaya mo at ngayon na natagpuan niya ito, no? Ayaw niyang palampasin yung ganitong klase ng pagkakataon. Yan, no? Yung iba, no, na mapapalad dito, na nabiyayaan, no, ng pagtalsik ng mga nagkawala ang Dragon Ball Z, no? Yeah, huwag niyo kalimutan na ako yung nakakuha, mga babes, no, ng pinakamalaking Dragon Ball Z. Charos. So, yun nga yun, no? Yung mga mapapalad, no? Crush niyo ito talaga, no? Na may crush din sa inyo. Kaya nakikita ko, no? Na pataas rin ang energy ninyo, no? Kagaya ng boses ni Mama Reg, di ba? Woo! Yan, no? So, edi kayo na crush nyo, crush rin kayo. So, yan, no? Halo-halo mga mensahe na nakuha natin dito, no? Kaya naman, expect this message right here because this is coming in really fast. Yung iba, hindi yan message, pupuntahan talaga niya kayo. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sarang kayo, love and light. Annyeong.